How to solve site can't be reached in Chrome. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if you've been facing that problem where it says this site can't be reached, then yeah, I'll show you guys how to fix this. So the very first fix is by searching for control panel right over here. You want to click this, go to network and internet, then go to network and sharing center. Then over here, you want to click on your Ethernet. So click on there, or Wi-Fi actually. Then once you are here, you want to click on properties. And you would want to turn off Internet Protocol version 6, IPv6. So you can turn this off and then click OK, click close. Now that should be turned off. You can refresh the site and see if it works. If that doesn't work, then what you can try to do is go back, go to properties. Then over here, you can also try and turn off the version 4 and see if that works. What we can also try is simply go to the control panel once again. Here you can see view by category, but you want to set this to view by large icons. Here you can actually see the internet options right over here. It probably depends on how big you have it set, but for me it's right over here. So click on there. Then this will pop up, and what you can actually do is go to connections, go to LAN settings, and here you want to make sure that the use a proxy server is turned off and this is turned on. So click OK. And once you've done that, what you can also do is go to advanced. And then here you can restore advanced settings. Now I'm not going to do that because I don't need to do that, but you can try that out as well. Then click on OK. Now, I hope all of these fixes worked for you. If that didn't work still, then what you can also try is simply unplug your Wi-Fi router and plug it back in. If that still doesn't work, what you can actually try is actually reset your Wi-Fi router completely. And that is how to solve site can't be reached in Chrome.